Hello, my name is Ian Lee, and today I'm doing Chapter 3, Problem 34 of the physics textbook. So, a soccer player kicks a rock horizontally off a 40-meter high cliff into a pool of water. If the player hears the splash sound 3 seconds later, what was the initial speed given to the rock? Assume the speed of sound in the air is 343 meters per second. So, let's just fill out a diagram first. Here's our person. And let's just say this is 40 meters. And this is the rock, and it's gonna fly all the way over here. And let's just assume that this is x. Okay, now we need to start filling out our table of values for both x and y because it's in 2 dimensions. Okay, now we can start filling it in. So, for x, for y, we get 40 meters, so let's just put it over here. X, we just put over here. And now the horizontal acceleration, that is about 0 units. And the vertical acceleration, that is 9.8 meters per second. And because this is dropping from over here to over here, then the initial velocity for y is 0 meters per second. Okay, now I can solve for time. So all we do is that we take x equals VIT plus half AT squared. So we just start filling in our values. Well, since VI equals 0, we can just cross this out. Half A equals 9.8 T squared. So, well, this roughly equals 40 equals 4.9 T squared. And if we divide both sides by 4.9, we get 400 divided by 49 T squared. And if we square root both sides, we get 20 divided by 7 T. So now we need to subtract 27 from 3, and we get 1/7. Okay, so it takes 1/7 of a second for sound to go from here to over here. So we just solve it. 1.7 times 343 equals 49. Okay, so we can pretty much think of it as like a right triangle in which the hypotenuse is 49 and the leg is 40. Okay, now we can just start filling it in. I'm going to put in 2.86 seconds, which is approximately equal to 27 for convenience. Okay. And I'm going to replace this x over here with 28.3. Okay, now we have enough information to calculate VI for x. So we take this again, x equals VIT plus half AT squared. Now we start filling everything in. So 28.3 equals, well, since a equals 0, we can finish cross this out. 2.86 V. And now if we divide both sides by 2.86, we get 9.91, which approximately equals to V. So the horizontal velocity of the rock is 9.91 meters per second.